Back to Ratchet and Clank. And we are going to take down an entire army of assholes. Whoa. When the fuck did the shield charger level up that fucking much? Because god damn. Boom. Done. One and done, son. What? Slow down. Thank you, acid mods. Let me get some mods for the Symphony Noise. I think they have like shock and acid. Alright, here we go. That guy, right there, is who we're going to be fighting. Now, what you could do, if you were so inclined, is shoot him a bunch of times. Notice that the acid damage sticks. This damage actually will carry over into the boss fight. He has a shit ton of health, so you have to waste a lot of ammo. And then go in there, and then see, oh, looks like you've only done half health with every single weapon that you have. So unless you got some mods and you wait for acid to tick down completely, it's kind of pointless. So let's do this the real way. Why would you keep her in there?
What's so funny?
Nothing, I guess. Prepare to die!
I love that scene. See, he's still damaged. So find the jump pads. Jump to them. They will lead you to turrets. Turret sections. Shoot the bombs. Shoot him. The turret takes too much damage. It'll blow up. And also he has a thing that will just yeah, like that. Okay.
Get ready to feel the burn!
No, thank you.
It's like hide and go seek. You hide, my missile sink.
Quit hiding behind things. She's taking the long way around. Okay, yeah, I'm going to die soon. It's not bad. This is a really bad condition. So the boots are really helpful. Zooming around at the speed of sound, finding places to go, and following your rainbow is great, because maneuvering is important, as is trying to find health, which I am not getting lucky with. Come on, Godzilla. Oh yeah, and then occasionally he'll throw cartridge. Nope, there we go. Yep, I'm going to die. Next hit. not a very difficult fight, it's just kind of tedious. Oh, yeah, there it is. Those guys just teleported in and died instantly.
Let me show you the latest and the greatest in mech technology. You want something funny? I'll give you something to laugh about.
God, stop moving so much. It seems like he knows when one of his shots is coming. The geometry. This may be long and uninteresting. Like a penis. Anyways.
To call me a sore loser. I'm in the winner's seat now.
You're in the winner's seat now. Stop fucking moving so much. Or at least get a bigger hitbox. Like at least jig it up, you know, throw a car at me or something. Whenever he does that chest thing, that means he's coming into pop.
Dance, punk, dance! After I'm done with you, I'm gonna take care of your little girlfriend.
Where's my shield charger might help. Like acid. Just gonna sit there and blast.
Catch this!
Really doing more damage to me than it is to him.
Get ready to feel the burn!
Feel the burn! It's a somewhat timely reference to something that,
Try to dodge this!
yeah, politics. So I've been debating in my head. I do want more people watching my videos. I kind of want them to find them on their own. So I'm probably gonna start posting my videos. Don't get so done so quick. Whoa! There we go. Oops. It looks so dorky when it's like stomping around like that. This is the worst one too. Come on. At least do the interesting thing and throw a car. Why is there still traffic going on when there is a full-fledged kaiju battle? What are those guys shipping that's so important? There's just some guy that's just like, oh no, another fucking robot battle. That Bugs for Less guy must be at it again with some other person. Is this like just a fucking daily thing? I hate this goddamn level. Oh, it takes my shield off when I get the turret. Thank you. Whoop.
I fight you with my bare hands, but it's a lot easier this way.
I can barely even hear him.
Feel the burn.
I'm not kidding when I say it's It's not even that difficult of a fight. It's just most of the times you die because you get impatient. You just don't want to shoot these fucking bombs. Like seriously, could they have given him another fucking attack other than this? And then you think you're aiming at him and somehow you're aiming at the wrong part of him that isn't part of his box. Thank you! Throw a fucking call. Or no, you're whoop.
It's like hide and go seek. You hide, my missiles sink. That's all dead. You can run, but you can't hide.
Thankfully, my head can break crates.
Try to dodge this.
Okay. Guys doing? What's been going on in your lives? What made you stumble upon this video? Just a random recommended for you part of YouTube? You just looking up Ratchet and Clank? Somewhere or something?
Give up now, Ratchet, and I'll spare you.
Some of us have no idea what's going on. Car. Now he's throwing the car. Yes, you can blow up the cars. Thank you for doing something different. That's interesting.
You little robot,
Really? Can I at least have my shield? I'm gonna have to be a coward. Is there a weak spot I'm missing? Throw another card. Throw another card. Thank you. So, I mean, eventually I want to conclude at least the original trilogy of Ratchet and Clank, possibly this one. But I also got a lot of other games I want to do. I also like just doing kind of one-off things. I should probably do one of this one. I haven't done that in a while. I think they've updated it. It's time to go.
coming to get you, Ratchet.
I'm gonna get you, Ratchet! That's what you sound like, loser. Whoops.
Get ready to feel the burn.
Feel the burn! The change that we need. Unfortunately, Ratchet can't be stumped. I need to stop with these fucking political memes.
Why don't you pick on someone your own size?
I think would be like the worst game to let's play. Because I mean, you could technically make any game interesting. Oh.
3, 4, 5.
Really?
I'm gonna crush you like a little bug.
Really? Fucking. Oh, Jack and the Beanstalk reference.
Try to dodge this. Catch this!
RPGs are kind of difficult to do just because of how long they are. You can like cut and change things so it doesn't seem as long. You know, cut out the battles, do most of the story things, show the interesting parts. Like Final Fantasy might be interesting. Probably not. I don't know. It's a big Maybe press 7. Slow start. Once you get into breaking game classes. Flash games. Now people have done that. Actually, have made some flash games into stuff like that. Is he blowing up? He's blowing up. Thank God.
You okay, Clank? Great. Let's go.
Hello? Aren't you forgetting someone?
Oops. Oh, I meant after we free Angela.
Thanks.
That was an awesome sound
Now,
effect.
before you run off, take a look at this. I picked it out of Lizard Boy's pocket.
Log entry 4792. Returning from Megacorp's distribution center. I'm beginning to suspect that Megacorp has lied to me. The extra-large decorative paperweights being stored there might actually be an enormous supply of proto-pets. Which might explain why the whole facility is guarded by ravenous mutant creatures. Their warehouse ship may hold as many as 10 million crates, and with 100 proto-pets per crate, that could be as many as, 3.5 zillion proto-pets.
Your math is
A
terrible.
secret shipment that large can only mean one thing. Megacorp is up to no good. I will confront them as soon as possible and demand a bigger cut of the action.
Nice to know he has his priorities straight.
Are they insane?
The galaxy is in far more danger than I had imagined. Do you suppose, Mr.
We've
Fizzwidget...
wasted enough time on Fizzwidget already. I swear that crazy old man is not the same person I used to work for.
What?
Whoa. You used to work for Megacorp?
Yes, in the genetics division.
On the proto-pet?
On fixing the proto-pet's flaws.
What?
And I was this close to succeeding when Fizzwidget suddenly pushed up their release date.
Is it worth disrupting the proto-pet shipments?
It's a start. But to stop them for good, we're gonna need to break into Megacorp headquarters.
Break in? How?
I have an old Megacorp ID on my home planet.
We'll split up then. Clank and I will go to the distribution facility. You go grab the ID.
Woohoo! Teleported back here. I forgot where that platinum bolt was. Oh well. How much money we got? Nowhere near enough for anything good. Well, somewhat near enough. Actually, let's buy some shields. And then continue on our way. Inklings. Thoughts are appearing in my mind. I might remember something. The Alamo? Come on, childhood memories. Don't repress yourselves. Be free. Nope, nothing. I'll come back for it eventually. Or maybe not. Oh, Jesus. Yep, instant death. That's going to be a bumper on our no-death run of Ratchet and Clank. Mostly because we failed that pretty early on. So, next episode of Ratchet and Clank. The distribution facility on Smolg. Yes, that's really its name. See you guys.